Here's a 2022 Genesis GV80. Experience a drive where luxury and practicality seamlessly coexist. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.